The Nokia X200 Ultra 5G emerges as a bold statement from Nokia in late 2026, combining cutting-edge performance with remarkable endurance and imaging prowess to redefine expectations for flagship and premium mid-range smartphones alike. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, the X200 Ultra delivers blistering speed, smooth multitasking, and efficient power management, perfect for demanding users, intense gaming, and future-ready AI features. Its standout 400MP main camera system pushes mobile photography into new territory, capturing astonishing levels of detail and clarity while offering versatile shooting modes that excel in all lighting conditions. Complementing these capabilities is a massive 9000 mAh battery, designed to keep the X200 Ultra running well beyond a full day of heavy use, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. With advanced 5G connectivity, a stunning high refresh rate display, and a refined premium design that reflects Nokia's commitment to durability and quality, the Nokia X200 Ultra 5G is poised to be one of the most compelling smartphones of 2026, blending power, endurance, and imaging excellence in one sleek package.